Welcome to How to Make a Freaking iPhone App. I am so glad that you're here. I want to make a quick 30-second note. I am going to be using the operating system Yosemite to do this class, and you may have Mavericks, and that's totally fine. You'll notice there's some design differences, but you're going to be fine with either operating system. So just note, if things look different, that's because I'm in Yosemite. You might be in Mavericks, but if you're in Yosemite as well, roll tide, things will be great. So, before I get into what we're going to do in the class, the goals, all this stuff, blah, 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 let's just go make a freaking app first, okay? So, first thing that I need you to do is hit your command and your spacebar at the same time. So if you do that, you should have a spotlight search come up. If you're in Mavericks, it might show up here. And just type App Store and click on the top hit there. So this is the program that allows us to download programs from Apple. There's lots of cool things in here, but we need Xcode. So go to the search bar, type Xcode, and we want this one right here, Xcode, and it should be Xcode version 6, and it might be 6.1 point something, whatever. That's going to change over time as they add updates. But just go ahead and click free, and then install app. Now it's going to ask for your Apple ID, and just go ahead and provide whatever Apple ID you use to set up your Mac or your iPhone. This just means that all purchases or downloads that you make through this App Store are connected with your account. And Xcode is free. It does not cost any money. So to have an account with the App Store, you do need to provide a credit card, but it's not going to charge you anything. So I imagine if you already have a Mac or a iPhone, you already have an Apple ID, so don't worry about that. So once you type that in, it says installing, and you can go ahead and verify that if you go to purchases. And I have a lot of different programs that I've installed, but down here if you see Xcode, it shows how long it's downloading. So this is a big file, 2.46 gigabytes. That's nothing to joke about. So we have some downtime here. I'm going to go ahead and leave you for a little bit, and we'll come back when this is all finished. But as soon as Xcode is installed, we're going to get rolling and make you that freaking app. Now, once Xcode is done downloading, it needs to install. And there's nothing magical that you have to push to say go ahead and install. The App Store is going to handle all this, but again, we just got to wait a little bit longer. Ooh, I just want to make an app.